Hello, everybody, and welcome to English 110 for the fall 24 semester. First of all, this is the home page. All of the links that you need here are in the main menu. What I want you to do is go to modules. In the modules, you're going to see a getting started module, which is also the same as the week 1 module. And this will run from Monday, the 12th of August till Sunday, 8/18. I don't know why I have a 20 there, but I'll fix that in a second. And then here are the textbooks, concerns for Kevin and Student Lounge, and then helpful resources and documents. The first thing I want to look at is textbooks. You don't need to buy any textbooks because they're here. And if you'll notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 4 sections of this course in one course shell. However, you won't be able to see other students. You can't for rules of FERPA rules. So you probably will only see your section, but when I make my videos, you'll see what I see. So you'll see 4 here in the video, but in your shell or in your main course, you won't. Again, I have 4 sections of this course in one shell. So again, I have to do it this way because if you're in this section, you're really not supposed to see students who are in the other section. It's a rule and I have to follow it. But that's that. Student Lounge, you can talk amongst each other here. You can also use Pronto, which I prefer that you use for me. If you have any questions for me, you can come here again. Email me or Pronto because I have my phone and I get an alert. Those are the fastest way. I think Pronto is probably the fastest. And then the textbooks are here. Let me click. So you can read over the instructions. We have a textbook here, and then here's the book we're reading. I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. I don't know if you're following politics, but a lot of the people have been referring to Maya a lot, stating that when someone shows you who they are the first time, believe them. You probably have heard that on TV if you've been following politics. And then here's how you will cite the book above here. So there is nothing to buy except for a Townsend press, which I'll show you in a second. And let's go back. Actually, I want to go over to getting started. So again, that's there. Let's go to the getting started module. The overview is here. You're watching this video right now. If you need to, if you're not familiar with the components, there's a video here you can watch. Components meaning discussion boards and stuff like that. Introduction to the course letter. You can read it. It's kind of what I'm doing now. Okay, again, all of this stuff, the syllabus is here. Look over all of these materials because you're going to need them for these 3 assignments. Now remember, the first week ends August 18th. However, I give you 2 weeks to complete these because if I have students who join late, I want them to have enough time to finish these. So syllabus quiz, everything I assign, I embed everything you need, the materials you'll need to complete that task. So if you click on syllabus quiz, the instructions and then the fall 24 syllabus is here, and then you can take your quiz. And again, that's the 25th. And you usually get 2 opportunities to take my quizzes, and then you get the average. OEI readiness quiz, and then the getting started orientation quiz. All 3 of these quizzes, again, are not due the 18th, they are due the 25th. However, I recommend that you get them done ahead of time. Here, the getting started week discussion board, you are going to, let me just click on it. So you're going to go here, you're going to click reply, and you're going to type in some stuff about you, what's your major, anything you want here, and then part 2, you're going to label part 2, 1 lie and 2 truths. Give us 2 truths and then a lie, and then we can discuss about well, which one's true, which one's a lie. It's just a fun way to get to know everybody in here. Okay, and you know, I agree. It's like, oh, you know, I agree. I love your major, blah blah blah. But the 2 truths and 1 lie is a good way to just break the ice, and that's why it's called an icebreaker. And again, look at here very very carefully. This must be done this Wednesday, the 20th. Thursday morning when I wake up, if it's not done, you will be dropped from the course. Even if you've logged in, you will be dropped. You must complete this by Thursday morning. And I'm sure you guys have heard that we're having a problem with fake students. They're creating bots, I guess, and they're having fake students sign up for courses, and these fake students are taking up seats for real students. So very clear, and I'm going to say this in another announcement. Make sure by Wednesday midnight, this Wednesday, the 20th, you post here your initial post, your 2 lies and a truth, and that you do it, because Thursday morning I'm dropping everyone who has not completed it. I don't care if it's 30 students because I have 120. I'll drop 30 because we need to get these seats filled with real students. Okay, let me go back out of here. Okay, it's not in the video, but I'm going to put in the sample of what I would do if I were a student to introduce myself. It's just a post that I created. This way it'll help you. I don't think you need it, but it's good to look at as an example, and then you can follow my lead there. So you will see sample week 1 discussion board, introduce yourself. It's the way I would do it. You can use mine as an example if you want. So again, this is the getting started module. Look over everything here. Oh, and I wanted to say, syllabus, all these quizzes are not timed, so I recommend maybe go to syllabus quiz, open it, read the questions, then go to the syllabus and try to find the answer. These quizzes are just to help you move along. They're not really weighted heavily. So again, I don't time them. You can take as much time on them as you want. Again, open up the quizzes, read the questions, find the answers. All right, I hope I have everything done. I do. Okay, so everybody, welcome to the course. Go ahead and get started. And the most important thing is, by Wednesday, make sure you make your original posting, introduce yourself, the icebreaker. Okay, thanks everybody, and welcome to the class. Thank you, bye.